name is Kacena. I'm the owner of K Contemporary Gallery in Lower Downtown. Currently, we just opened our exhibition for Sean Huckins, our first post-COVID opening. The gallery was established in 2017, and this is our third year representing Denver and international artists on the contemporary art market. So the way that we've been affected from the COVID pandemic has been kind of a multifaceted way. First, we had a pop-up that we were doing in Santa Fe at a gallery in the Rail Yard district, which has since closed. Also, our April programming was an artist from Bratislava in Slovakia, and we first had to deal with shipping issues right prior to the lockdown, and then also the international travel ban. This particular artist, his studio is 15 minutes away from his house, where it's on a border town of Slovakia and Hungary, and for him to travel to his studio, he would then have to be in a 15-day quarantine before they would allow him to travel back the 5 or 10 minutes or 15 minutes back to his house. So we've had to deal with international curatorial issues and just kind of changing our programming all in general, pushing back shows and kind of readapting. Well, we've done several things to adapt to kind of the new existence that we have to have as a gallery. Initially, it was how do we get artwork in front of our patrons who are at home? So of course we've continued our online strategies, but I've really looked at this as the obstacle is the way. And what was our obstacle is that our patrons couldn't come out to see the art that we were presenting, and that they also couldn't even leave their houses. So one of the first things that I did was I put together an art truck. I used a billboard truck and I printed out artwork from artist Sean Huckins, whose current exhibition is at the gallery, and also Daisy Patton, and we had that exhibition touring for a week while the city was in lockdown. I've now teamed up with Athena Projects and people from City Arts and venues, and we've expanded that. So now every third Thursday there's going to be an expansion of it. This first one we have Cleo Parker Robinson Dance involved. We have people from 5 Points Jazz, and my ultimate vision is to get the entire Colorado Symphony Orchestra in pedicabs going through the streets of Denver. Other ways that we've adapted is we have a different format here at the gallery. It used to be 3 galleries in one building, and we rotated between floors and exhibitions. That partnership has changed as we had kind of a different vision and approach for moving forward, and now K Contemporary will be the sole occupants of the building, and we'll be activating the space on all 3 floors in a little bit different. So we have timed entry exhibitions, and everything's by appointment. We require everybody to have a mask and to use hand sanitizer when they come in. We're keeping it to only 5 people at a time for the moment. And we found that it's really engaging. They're able to spend more time with the staff, they're able to spend more time with the artists at the opening, and also we're doing these more tailored events for our patrons and collectors, where we're inviting these small groups to have a one-on-one experience with the artist, which is actually what they probably would have preferred us doing the whole time anyway. So, it takes a pandemic for us to kind of rethink our business strategy and do something that's not only more engaging for our customers, but also something that's maybe a little more thoughtful for the way that we can approach the art. The way that you can engage with the art right now is we have an app on our website where you can come in for a timed exhibition slot. We also are continuing these activations outside of the gallery with pop-ups and other ways. Well, if you'd like a private showing, please just give the gallery a call, and we'd love to have you here. Starting next month, we're going to have programming upstairs, including internationally renowned artist Carlos Martial, who did a performance piece with us at the Biennial of the Americas, and we'll be projecting that throughout the city. So a lot of our programming is in gallery still, but we're going to be continuing to be innovative with trying to bring ways that are unexpected and outside the gallery too.